Hi everyone! In today's video, you're going to learn how to easily connect your phone to your Honda's Bluetooth system. Whether you just got a new car or you're setting up for the first time, I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. Step 1. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. On your phone, go to Settings menu, tap on Bluetooth, and make sure it's turned on. Step 2. Access the Bluetooth settings on your Honda. On your Honda screen or menu system, go to Main menu and tap the Bluetooth icon. Then select Connections and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Some other Honda models might use the Settings or Setup button instead. Check your specific model. Step 3. Pair a new device. Tap on Connect New Device to enable the search for nearby Bluetooth devices. Your Honda is now pairing mode and ready to connect to your phone. Step 4. Find your car on your phone. Back on your phone, under Available Devices, you should see your Honda listed. It might show up as Honda Civic, Honda CR-V, or just Honda. And if you don't see it, try turning Bluetooth off and on again on your phone to refresh the list. Step 5. Confirm the pairing code. A pairing code will appear both on your car screen and your phone. Make sure the codes match. Then press pair on your phone and yes on the car screen. If the codes don't match, cancel and restart the pairing to avoid connection issues later. Step 6. Allow contacts and messages access. You might get a pop-up asking for permission to share the contacts and messages. It's a good idea to allow it. But don't worry, your car doesn't store your contacts permanently. It just reads them to show names when you receive or make a call. Remember, for safety reasons, most Honda models won't allow pairing while the car is moving. Connection successful. And that's it, your phone is now connected. You can now make calls, play music, and use Bluetooth safely. And that's the complete tutorial on how to connect your phone to your Honda Bluetooth system. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.